Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the videos from ReelShort app. Now if you want to download the video from ReelShort app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do it, you may simply install the ReelShort app first on the device. So if you want to download the video, you may simply open the ReelShort app on the device. So this is the home page of ReelShort, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now the thing is that ReelShort doesn't have a built-in download option for offline viewing, but you can simply use the ReelShort coins to watch it offline. So some shows allows offline viewing after unlocking episode with coins. So you may simply open any movies or series which you want to watch, and from there you may simply open the episode which you want to download, and if there is any option available of watch offline, then you may simply tap on it and you need to pay a certain amount of coin to watch it offline. Or the last thing which you can do is that you may simply screen record your device and you may simply watch it by downloading it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.